Disqualified son. Sheikh Sadi says that there was a guest of an old man in the city of Diyarbakir who had immense wealth. She had a beautiful young son, which he loved immensely. One night he started saying that all my life I had only one child. There is a tree in this forest. People go there to ask for their wishes. I have spent many a long night sitting at the root of this tree crying in front of it. Then I got this child after going somewhere. I heard that boy was secretly telling his friends, "Oh, I wish I knew about this tree so that I could go there and pray that my life would be spared from this old man." Result: the boundless desire of the servant often leads to regret in Allah's decisions.